Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Karni. So today we're gonna talk about something very interesting. So yesterday I made a new video about the Nike Dunk Panda, and now I got another shoe and it's called Nike Dunk Gray Fog, and that sounds like a really awesome name to call that. But thank you Nike for this beautiful shoe that I'm going to show you. And I'll tell you guys how much it costs, and I'll tell you guys my review for it, and I'll show you the details of the shoes, and I'm gonna open the box and I'm gonna show you the box and everything. So I hope you guys like the video and get that big for me, and let's go to the video. So what we have here right now is that I already opened it because I was so excited, and this is the Nike box. Really amazing. Also over here also, and I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna open the paper and look at this really sexy shoe. It's so popular everywhere in YouTube shorts and everything, and I may have to say I really like it. I want to show you what it looks like inside. It's really amazing, and I'm gonna show you the back over here. I want to show you over here in the back. See if it's so sick. It's like so foggy, and I like it. And you can actually like put like jeans on your pants and stuff like that. And yeah, that's about it. And I want to show you my review for this shoe. So I want to give this shoe, I'm gonna give it like 5. Like, I really like it. I really do. And it's gonna look fresh for me, and maybe I'll get some ladies, get a girlfriend one day, and that's about it. So Nike, hopefully Nike, if you hear this video and I'm showing people the shoe or the design and everything, Nike, thank you again. And I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe me on YouTube. It's called Yakov Karni. Make sure, I hope that I get 3,000 watch hours with my 500 subscribers. So that's about it. So see you guys pretty soon. Adios.